Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're back with a try-on haul, and this one is from Walmart. If you want to see all these opinions and thoughts on this Walmart haul, then just keep watching. Into it. So the very first item is this shirt here. It is everything I purchased was in a large. If it was in a small, medium, large, it was all in a large, and if it's based on like sizing for the pants, they're all a size 12. But this was the first thing I got, and it's this long shirt. It covers, I love this for like a nice just leggings on the go kind of thing. I love outfits that are super easy like this. I used to have a shirt. That's the shirt. Now let's move on and let's add some jeans. They're these dark wash jeans with a small leg. These were, and it says made responsibly. We only use fair trade certified factories. That mean certified standards for fair wages and working conditions. Well, that's important. Our factory are LEED certified, leadership in energy and environmental design. I don't really know what that means. Let's put her on. I haven't used Walmart jeans, like, I don't think ever. Like I said, most of my jeans I probably got at Ross. Ew. Ew. Okay. I would say they run true to size. These here are the jeans. As you guys can see, they have functional back pockets. They are pretty stretchy. And they're pretty fitted. Yeah, they're pretty skinny. There's a little bit of a bunching at the bottom, but you know, I am pretty small, and these are, like they say, high-waisted. They're the button zipper. Pretty stretchy. My belly button is about here, so you do get some stretch there. These are a pretty good fit. Pretty comfy. Fold the bottom because your girl is small. So let's move on to our next outfit. Okay, so this next fit is one pretty basic, pretty cash. This was just a white tee, v-neck. I love v-necks. This is the relaxed fit, $4.98, and then I got these cargo pants. I think they're like cargo pants, and I will say they're pretty comfortable. Shit, they are pretty comfortable. And so it is supposed to be like a cropped jean. The problem with cropped jeans is your girl is small. So like things that are cropped aren't typically cropped on your girl. So here are the pants. They're actually kind of cool. They had these really cool ones in, I think they had them in like a light blue, and I was going to grab them, but they didn't have my size. I would say these are true to size. Once again, they are a size large. They have functional pockets in the front. While they're like supposed to fit like that on your average human, they definitely don't fit like that on me. And maybe if I like folded it up, problem to all my pants. But these are very like mom vibes, I would say. I don't know how good this would look with like a crop top, if it would like fit, but they are comfy. Super comfy. Lots of leg room here and even beyond that. So if you're more of a thick thigh fan, they are pretty nice in that regard. For $15. They're cute and they're comfy. Oh my god. What? Walmart come through with the comfort. I really like these for just like a chill vibes. You know what? I'm going to put on a different top real quick. I also got this cardigan in a large, which I think I could have sized down on this cardigan because it's kind of on the looser side. I just wanted something like easy. I have an office job, so I do wear cardigans on the regular, and I just wanted something that I could throw on over a blouse because it does get cold in the office. But you know what? This just isn't it for me. This is gonna have to go back to where she came from. If you're in a pinch, it'll get you through, but for long term, I don't think it's worth the price based on like how thin it is. And like, I want, if it's a cardigan I'm gonna wear often, I'd rather have it be something that is gonna be durable. Okay, and then I also got this shirt, which is pink. It's in a large. It's just a tank. Who makes her? Just says fitted, cami. You know, sometimes we need those things to wear things. So, nothing unique, soft. I would say runs true to size. If you need a cami, go for it. Oh, and it's by Time and True. Okay, now let's jump into our next outfit, which is going to be another pair of jeans. Okay. Now this I vibe with a little bit more. This wash of these jeans is great. The fit is great. Now these are in Petite. They're high-rise fitted, Time and True, and pretty stretchy. Not as stretchy as the other dark blue shade ones, but pretty stretchy. And I'm just wearing that pink cami underneath. And then we've got this like sweater. And this sweater is a vibe. It's a vibe. Like this. Like, let's transition into the spring. Does it not give you that? Maybe for these I had to size up a little bit. The petite size I feel like runs a little bit smaller. So I am getting a little bit of that muffin top. Not a lot, not a significant amount, but a little bit. And I do like for this little sweater that, like, see, this sweater feels like so much better quality than that other cardigan that I just showed you guys. But the pants are pretty cool. I would say they're like not really high rise because the button is literally like my belly button is right here. Right at where the button is. As you guys can see, these are it. They do have workable pockets. I love the wash. That's what I will say. I love the wash. They are super like skin tight. Maybe size up, but I guess, like I said, it could be because they're petite wise, like they're perfect. They are perfect for your girl. They're perfect. Versus the other ones that had much more length. But they do have some, you know, belly control, I would say. I just wish, I mean, no, they're just at my belly button. That's how high rise they are. But this is a nice wash of jeans, I'm not gonna lie. And with the sweater, I'm really vibing with the sweater. I think the sweater is so good. So good. Then these feel like they have a lot more stretch to them. And these definitely felt more high-rise. Versus these, like I said, these go to my belly button. 100%. These feel like more sturdy jeggings material. And these do feel less stretchy, more tight than these. Okay, I have one more outfit to go. Okay, and last but not least, we've got the gym attire. This top has no padding, so it is nipped to the wind. But if you don't like something with padding, this is good for you. When I first put it on, it definitely felt a little bit tight, but now it feels like it is the right size. Maybe just put on something with it, like over top, like a hoodie or something, so your nips aren't, you know, exposing you when you're cold. And now let's talk about the shorts. So the shorts, pleasantly, I'm surprised. They are extremely high-waisted. They do have the little like leg contour. Don't know if they're squat proof, but we will find out. I am wearing black undies underneath. They're like all the other seamless. These are seamless. They're not super tight on the thigh, so these shorts, I'm gonna say they're not bad. These are not bad. They're comfy, they're seamless. They don't feel super structured though. So like even though they have this waistband here, they're not like compressing anywhere else. They're a little bit on the shorter side, so I could definitely see some chub rub. Well, I would say fit-wise, the only difference is that in this material here, they're not super tight. They're a little bit more just like loose. Not loose, like they're fitted, but they're just not as compressing in this area. So maybe size up a little bit when looking at their fitted clothes or like outfit gym wear. Yep. Now we don't have to be so concerned about our nipples. Okay, so my thoughts would be that the jeans are impressive. The quality of the jeans is impressive. I was definitely expecting more of that just like jegging material jean, and they definitely have some of those. But the benefit of Walmart is obviously when you're in store, you're able to feel them, stretch them out, and see the material of them. So for that, I will say that's a win. Sportswear, they're comfortable, but I probably wouldn't work out in either one because there's not a lot of support in this and there's no like padding at all. So nips to the wind, you know, it's one of those things. And the shorts, they're comfortable. Like I said, they are comfortable. They don't like kill my thighs, but maybe size up because these are in an extra large versus a large, which is what I would typically wear. The cardigans, those cardigans I would pass on. I really don't like them. But the jeans, I'd give them all a go. See, the cargo pants are probably the most comfortable out of the three. Remember that sweater, this sweater, and this sweater, I think are pretty good. Like this sweater in itself, like the fact that the little cuff is a little more cinched so your sleeves aren't like rolling down. I really like that. And I think this is a perfect like spring summer piece because sometimes it can get a little chilly, but not like full sweater weather, you know, SoCal. So sometimes just something light like this or even like this is good to go, or like after a long day at the beach. I love things like that. So that I'm for sure gonna keep. The tank is fine, not great quality, not crappy quality. It's just fine. The t-shirt, once again, the t-shirt was comfortable. It fit comfortably. It's large. It runs pretty true to size, so I'm okay with that. I think the only thing I'm going to return is going to be these jeans here, the petite ones. Even though I love the wash of them, I just don't think they fit me appropriately, and they're a little bit too tight. That's all I got from Walmart, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gives you a little bit of insight to the Walmart clothing, you know. Yep, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. So I'll leave my measurements down below. Make sure you follow me on social media, make sure you subscribe, and all the good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!